In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add back to top button to Squarespace. This is a simple way to help visitors quickly jump back to the top of a long page without scrolling, and it uses only built-in Squarespace tools. First, open your Squarespace dashboard. Click Website in the left sidebar, then click Pages. This is where you can see all the pages on your site. Choose the page where you want this back-to-top functionality to live. Open that page so you're looking at it in the editor. At the very top of the page, click the top section. You'll see controls appear for that section. In the top right, click Edit section. This opens the section settings panel where you can assign an anchor. Add an anchor link name. Keep it short, clear, and without spaces. Something like top works well. This anchor marks the exact spot your button will send people to. After naming it, select Copy Link. Squarespace generates a direct URL with your anchor included, and copying it now saves time later. Next, scroll all the way to the bottom of your page. This is a common place to add a back-to-top button since visitors reach the end and may want to get back to the beginning quickly. In the editor, click a Add block at the top left. From the block options, select a button, then drag it to the spot you want the button to appear. You can place it within a section, beside text, or centered, wherever it's most helpful for your layout. Once the button is placed, double-click it to edit. Change the button label to something clear, like Back to Top, so visitors instantly understand its purpose. Then click Attach Link. In the link field that appears, paste the link you copied earlier. That link includes your page URL plus the anchor you created at the top. So, when someone clicks the button, the page jumps smoothly back to that section. Confirm your changes in the button settings. That's it. You've created a clean, user-friendly back-to-top button using an anchor link and a standard button block. The anchor at the top defines the destination. The copied link points directly to it, and the button at the bottom provides an easy way for visitors to navigate. You now have a simple enhancement that improves usability on long pages, and you can repeat the same steps on any other page where it's helpful.